To add a discount in Clover, start by logging into your Clover account and navigating to the Orders or Inventory section. The first step is to determine the type of discount you want to apply. Whether it is a percentage or a fixed amount, Clover allows you to create discounts that can be applied to specific items, orders, or customer groups. Next, click on the Discounts tab and select the option to create a new discount. Here, you will be prompted to enter the details of the discount, including the name, description, and type of discount. You can also set the discount amount or percentage, and specify whether it is a one-time discount or recurring. After creating the discount, you can apply it to specific items or orders by selecting the item or order and clicking on the Apply Discount button. You can also set up automatic discounts that are applied to certain customer groups or loyalty programs. To apply a discount to an order, navigate to the Orders section and select the order you want to apply the discount to. Click on the Apply Discount button and select the discount you want to apply from the list of available discounts. The discount will be applied to the order and the new total will be displayed. Best practices for adding discounts in Clover include setting clear and concise names and descriptions for your discounts, and ensuring that the discount amounts and percentages are accurate. It is also important to regularly review and update your discounts to ensure they are still relevant and effective. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively add discounts in Clover and provide your customers with rewards and incentives that will keep them coming back to your business. Clover's discount feature is a powerful tool that can help you drive sales and increase customer loyalty. And with a little practice, you can master it and take your business to the next level.